Guys, popping siya guys.
Starting to pop.
Yeah.
They're putting the crack on there. Let's take off the crack. Wow! That's cool. Oh my goodness. You see on the screen, you see how it's hot. What are you going to put, Mama? Is that the oil? Are you turning on the oil? You
just let this get a bit hot.
put
Put some,
salt.
that one is an oil.
Is that oil I said earlier?
Mixed with butter.
With butter? Oh no, it's getting fried. And Mommy, and the butter is getting melted, Mama. Look at it.
So yan lang muna natin yung mag-melt to guys.
Oh my goodness, it looks like we're frying the whole. And look at all the bubbles, Mama.
Not
Mama,
yung, ano guys, yung gamit kong oil
Mama, look
is...
at all the bubbles.
Yes, I know.
Some is melting. What is that, Mama?
The chocolate.
But why are you going to put chocolate? I want some.
Because I'm gonna put the chocolate flavor.
But Mommy, please, I want to put chocolate first.
Wait a minute. Just later a bit, please.
Oh no, it's dropped in there.
So, ganyan lang siya kadali, guys. Ayan, hayaan natin mag-init
Mommy,
yung...
let me see the chocolate.
Ayan.
You see the chocolate, Mama? I can see it's so dark. The bubbles are getting bigger.
So, ayan, medyo mainit na
And
yung ano,
Mama,
guys.
the butter
Yung
is all
butter.
gone.
So, ilagay na natin yung about half cup of corn. Popping
Wow!
corn. Ayan.
Popcorn. Are you gonna mix it to turn popcorn, Mama?
Lagyan natin ng
With
konting
salt?
asin, guys.
Not a lot.
Yes, just put a little bit. Para may lasa siya.
And put some
Since
more
I'll be
chocolate.
using the
Give me. Please,
Choco flavor, so lagyan natin ng chocolate. Put the block of the chocolate.
Oh, Mommy, is that more?
Yes.
Put it here. And now the chocolate is
Yes.
getting all fried.
Let the chocolate melt there.
And you didn't turn this on.
It's already on.
So, what's there?
Leave it there.
Mommy, the chocolate is getting so dark now.
Yes.
And the corn are getting dark too.
So,
What is it? Mama. Look at this.
ayan guys. So,
On the
hayaan lang
screen, you
natin
can
mag-start
see it.
mag-popping yung corn.
Mommy, it's not turning popping corn, Mama. It's still turning popping corn.
And just cover it.
And watch. After turning popcorn, Mama, you have to wait. The room is there. You're making it. Mommy, let me see. It's so fake and I can't see the popcorn. Wait. Mommy, you have to carry me with. I see the popcorn.
You can stand up here.
I'm too scared.
Be careful, that one's a bit hot.
Let me see. Wow! It's dark
So
now.
it's starting to pop now. So you just have to wait.
with pop.
They're popping now a bit.
Where, Mama?
There.
Where? They're not popping. Mama. like that. How is it gonna pop? I can see the
There.
white. Like,
You see it?
yeah, I can see the white. Ah!
Ah. Ah.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Guys, popping siya guys.
Starting to pop.
Yan.
They're putting the black on there. I take off the black. Mommy,
Yan,
you
popping
please
yung
open
popcorn
it.
guys.
Mommy, please open it to look like popping everywhere.
Yes. You can't open it because they're everywhere.
But there's still,
See how beautiful it is?
Mommy, it keep popping.
Mm.
Have to get off of this. So scared. And look at the whole popcorn, Mama.
Mm.
They're trying to take off chocolate, Mama.
Mhm.
With your bumming up, try to take off the chocolate, Mama. Try to take off the bummer. My
So
son's
nice.
What is he doing?
I'm just mixing it so it can all pop.
It's not popping now. Mommy, they're almost gonna be ready, but they're popping still. Huh? They're still popping. Let me get up. Okay.
Be careful, you might fall down.
Mommy, I have to hold the screen.
A minute.
The popcorn. No. What is that? The popcorn is almost.
Yay!
It's gonna pop. The popcorn will pop.
Wow!
Oh
You just leave it there. Leave it, it's already dirty.
no! But then I'll throw it in the bin.
Wow, some are falling off.
What? Oh no! The other one.
Mm.
And the other one. And the other one.
Look! Oh my gosh.
More. We're not gonna clean that. That's a lot of popcorn.
It's choco flavor popcorn, guys.
Wait, I don't want to eat popcorn. It's this popcorn.
It's very hot. So, yan lang guys.
So
Ganyan
hot!
lang kadali yung choco popcorn namin. Choco flavor. Sa, yan. Kainin na namin to ni Bibi. Hey guys, so ganun lang po siya kadali guys. Hope you enjoyed the video tutorial guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated on the coming videos ko po. So thank you for watching. Bye!